Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, we will be making this DIY wooden name wall decor. So I do sell these wooden names in my Etsy shop. I will leave the link down below. It does come in this natural wood color. So I did want to try to find a way to make a frame so that you can hang up the name, or you can just hang it up on the wall just like this. I also sell mirror names and acrylic names as well. That's what we'll be doing today. So what you will need is the wooden name. You will also need a sheet of plywood. I just had this scrap wood right at home. You will need some wood stain in a color of your choice, some spray paint for the name, and then whatever type of border you want around your name. Some type of wood glue or E6000, whatever type of glue that you like to use. A hook for the back if you were planning to hang this up on the wall. First, I'm going to figure out how large I want the frame for the backing of the name, and then I'm going to cut that out with a saw. If you don't have a saw at home, you can always rent one or go to a hardware store and they will cut it for you. Next up, I'm just going to wood stain the wood piece, and I'm also going to spray paint the name and let those dry overnight. Once you have let it dry, I'm going to glue the name directly onto the piece of wood. You do want the name to be really secure onto the backing until it is completely dry, so I am going to add something that's going to secure it really tightly together. And then while we let that dry, we're going to go ahead and add our borders. Whatever you want to add for the outside, you can add paint, glitter, rhinestones, flowers, greenery. There's all types of things you can add. So once you've added all of your details and your wood glue has dried, I'm going to add the hook on the back side, and then this is how it ended up coming out. So that is all for my DIY wooden name wall decor. Have fun with customizing it, making different color combinations and different borders for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.